Hey guys, it's Frosty, one of the co-founders of Pirate Bones Club, or PBC for short. All the links for all of our socials will obviously be in the description. Highly recommend you guys go check it out. Project is progressing very well so far. A lot of research and everything. But today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be showing you how to create a Solana-based NFT collection with no coding at all, and how to get it onto different marketplaces such as Magic Eden, OpenSeas, and any other Solana-based network that's out there. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that you're gonna need, the most important thing that you're gonna need, is obviously you're gonna need a Phantom wallet, and it's because Phantom is the largest at this moment Solana based wallet that's out on the market and out and about. So what I would do is you need to download it. I already have it here installed, but you download it, you easily get the extension for your browser, and that then allows you to have Solana in that wallet so that you can use for transactions, to buy mint NFTs, buy NFTs, do all that kind of stuff. You're going to need one of these if you want to do Solana. There's a couple other wallets. I believe there's one called Glow. You can get that one as well. This is the one that we personally use and that I personally use. This is the one that I would go with. Super easy to mess around with, and also shows your NFTs in here as well. So like you can see that, like, you can click this little tab. There's collections in here, which is like the Golden Crew collection, like that. All right, so after you've got your Phantom wallet, you want to go over to OpenSeas, and you want to make sure that you connect your wallet to OpenSeas. This is just how we did it. You can do it a different way. You can connect your wallet to something like Magic Eden. Again, this is all Solana based. So the collection that we were trying to create was on OpenSeas. When you click on create and you scroll down to blockchain, there's Ethereum and there's Polygon, but you can't select Solana. So we thought we would wait, but then we learned that maybe waiting is going to be the wrong thing, so we need to find out some other way. So I did some research and found out of this thing called Launch My NFT. A super easy way of not coding a project. You can do this on multiple different blockchains. So you can do Ethereum, you can also do Solana. All right, so there's this guy named Quebblecop. He is a very, very, very big name in the NFT space. He decided to create something called Launch My NFT, which then was an easier way for people to create an NFT project without all the coding, because I don't know anything about coding. Skrill, one of the other co-founders, knows slightly bits of coding, but he would have to refresh a lot. And then also crypto is very new, so you'd have to learn all that kind of stuff. And then Sin also doesn't know any coding, not that I know of. So this guy made it so that you can do a full collection without coding. Obviously, there's a little bit more limitations for the moment, but those limitations are going to save you a lot of time in learning how to code and all that kind of stuff. So this guy is very well known. Clearly he has a Bored Ape because of the hexagon. If you guys don't know, on Twitter, you can, if there's a hexagon around their profile picture, that means that they actually own the NFT that's in the picture. It's not just a save image as like a lot of people think you can do with NFTs. All right, so you want to head over to Launch My NFT, click on create, and there's two different ways you can do it. You can generate a collection if you're doing a thing of like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, all the way up to 10,000. That's how much they accept. That's the maximum. And then there's just creating a collection based off of like one of ones that you're creating, meaning it's like an original piece of art, anything like that. That's what you would want to do. Like we have the 4 founders ones, which are made specifically for each of us. They were one of ones created by our graphic designer Skrill. So in that case, that's what we're going to go with for this one. So how you're going to start is you go into here, very easy. This is clicking the left option. I'm just going to put tests for all this kind of stuff. This is all fine. We're just going to keep it right. Next, then you're going to go to upload your images. So for now, I just put in the same file that we had for our one that we minted last night. So how you want to have it in the file is alphabetical order, which is how ours was done. I don't know if there's a different way. I'm not amazing with software and computers and everything, so I'm doing my best. Ours was in alphabetical order, so however you want yours, if it's like this style, you want to make sure that they are in the same order in the file as you would want as like numbered in your minting. Click on next, it's uploading your images. Then you're going to be prompted with a wallet thing where it's going to upload these images, and it's going to ask you to approve a transactions fee. With Solana, you're getting ridiculously low gas fees. This is the Solana gas fee. So a gas fee for Solana is 0.004 Sol. If we would have done all this minting and all this transferring that we would have had to have done last night, it would have been over hundreds of dollars. And with Solana, it's literally, we spent less than $3 minting everything. That means buying the minting, transferring, doing all the transaction fees and everything. It was less than $3. So technically, you can even add that this is a less than $3 way of doing a startup for an entire collection. All right, so here's your minting page. We obviously, we're just going to buy these off the start. So I bought them all with just very little amount of Sol, because again, Sol is extremely more cheap than Ethereum will be until probably Ethereum 2.0 comes out, but who knows when that's going to be. So everything's minted, everything's now here. And so, but the main issue that we were having was, how in the world am I supposed to get these things onto OpenSeas? Because I don't know how to get them onto OpenSeas. And every tutorial that would have Launch My NFT showing how to do this collection and creating everything, no one showed how to get them on. You could show them how to mint, how to create a minting page and everything. You can show all that, but there is no way of then putting them on to OpenSeas or any other NFT marketplace that has Solana based NFTs. So here's where this video is extremely important. Next, what you want to do is you want to go over to this place called Metaplex. This place, if you don't have this right now, as of this video creating, there is no way for you to get these things onto an NFT marketplace. And this is left out of all those videos with people trying to put Solana NFTs on the blockchain. So what you need to do is you need to come to this place. It's created by Solana. It's created by Solana, the actual company themselves. They created Metaplex, to my understanding. And what you do is you come in here, you put everything the same. So you put everything in here exactly the way that you want it to be. Obviously, description, logo, symbol, name, all that kind of stuff, right? Then what you want to do is when you come down to this add collection items required, this is where the most important part is. Over on your Launch My NFT, keep all these pages up. When you click on manage collection, there's a verified creator ID. This is crucial. You need to copy this and then paste it into your other page over here. So what you're going to do is when you post that edited thing into here, you edited it's a verified creator ID. When you put that in there, it's then going to find for ones that are minted. So this is the key. You have to have the actual ones off of here minted. They have to be minted. Know that. They have to be in order for them to show up on here. If they are not minted, they will not show up. It'll say that there are no valid NFTs from that creator ID. It won't work. You have to have them minted. After this thing goes through, finds the NFTs, you will click create collection. It will go through the step-by-step process, which is simply going through a couple transaction approvals, which is obviously like a couple cents. And then by the end of it, you will then have your now new collection based on Metaplex, which is essentially a third party, but it's created by Solana so that they can go on to any marketplace that's out there. Just for reference so that you guys can see while this thing is finishing up with the NFT part, that the top NFT collections out right now that are trading at the highest volume on Solana on OpenSeas is, say, OK Bears. If you want to take OK Bears for, like, for example, you would think these people are top of the line. They got everything going. They know how to code. They know how to create all this kind of stuff. They know how to create a community that if there was any other thing that you could do differently, they would have it. When you go to a specific thing, so like say I click on any of their OK Bears, it's really cool artwork, a great community. When you scroll down to details, if you click on details, there's a blockchain, which is Solana, but there's a token standard and it's Metaplex. This is the same for every single NFT that's out on the market. If I click on any of these people had to use Metaplex. So this is the one that we created last night. It was the same thing, has those 4 things, and it's the Golden Crew. This is our founder ones. It's all the stuff that like we hold dear and true to ourselves because this is our image in the NFT marketplace. And so once we have everything minted, everything was in there, we published it, and it then will pop up saying collections. You have this exact page with whatever you have created. It'll be perfectly displayed for you. If you ever mint any more on the same collection, all you have to do is click add more NFTs to your collection. And then come in here and do the same thing. Click here, put in that same thing that's over here. You click on edit, verified creator ID, put it in the same spot. It'll find more of the NFTs that have been minted. They will get added into the collection, which will then be put onto the marketplaces. Then you have the opportunity to now make it customized. This is the fun part. This is everything should be working. When you click on it, you will then come into the collection. You have everything that you would like: website, Discord, Twitter, whatever else you have. Make the description, make everything the way that you would like it. And now everything is selected on OpenSeas, as these are different items that are on OpenSeas. If you then want to transfer it, you can do simple things like you click on it and then you click transfer. I can't do it because it's Skrill's. I already sent it to him. So this is the easiest way, and honestly I think it's the only way at this point to be able to do it, as seen by the top Solana blockchain users in the space. They use Metaplex. Nobody's talking about it. You have to use Metaplex. Trust me, it is the quickest way. I have no coding experience, and I learned all of this and did all of this last night with the other two co-founders watching me do it. We minted, we all have our own, and it's an absolutely amazing milestone that we hit, because just the simple fact of we did it, we figured out a way of minting it. It's an awesome feeling. And this goes to show it's not like I spread out the videos. You're able to do it. If you go down to blockchain, you still can't click Solana, yet we do have a Solana based NFT on OpenSeas. As you can see, not even just on OpenSeas, it is also on Magic Eden, which I believe is the other massive Solana based collection marketplace as well. So it's also on there. So there you are. That's how you create an entire NFT collection with no coding. I don't know any coding. I was able to do it. You use Metaplex, you do all the steps that I just showed, and you're able to create an amazing Solana based collection on OpenSeas, any other marketplace that takes Solana. It'll be posted to every single one of them. And that's how you do it without any coding. Literally under $3. I think you got $3. If you want to create some sick artwork, make some NFTs, send them to your friends so they have some cool art in their wallet. That's how you do it. So I appreciate you guys so much for watching. If you have questions, if you have concerns, put it in the comments. I will be reading it. I will be responding. If there's anything that you need that we need to create a whole new video on, which I'm going to do on this other way of doing the Launch My NFT, we'll do that as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click the like, share, join the Discord, Twitter. We're growing. It's going to be a great project. A lot of utility, amazing community, sick artwork. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great one.